Today we're going to be going over how to create AI visualizers just like Che inside of Premiere Pro. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start on this website called Runway AI. You can create an account for free and get free credits. If you run out of credits, you can just keep creating an email, or you can just upgrade to the premium version, which I would recommend as they would give you monthly credits. We're going to go to the text to image tab, and it all starts here. Essentially, whatever it is you have in your mind, you just need to create a prompt to bring it to life. Ideally, you want to write something that is descriptive while at the same time concise and clear. And I'm going to show you an example right now. So what I wrote is dreadhead millionaire standing in front of stairs inside of a mansion wearing a suit, holding a glass of wine with bags of money on the floor. So let's see what Runway comes up with. Also make sure, I forgot to say, also make sure you put realistic 4K movie. I like these, but I'm gonna adjust the prompt to get rid of the bags of money. And that's what this process is, just experimenting with the prompt, taking things out and adding things in until you get what you want. I think I really like this one right here. So I'm gonna download the JPEG. Once you download the JPEG, then you're gonna go to the dashboard and go to generative session. Then you're going to drop an image. You're going to drop the image that you downloaded. And now you're going to get descriptive with your shot. I would change the duration to 5 seconds so it takes less credits. So I'm gonna put camera zooms in while man raises wine glass and smiles. That looks pretty trippy. I'm gonna download it. Once it's downloaded, what I'm going to do, as you can see here, we're gonna take it, we're gonna zoom it in. I'm gonna zoom it in to degrade the quality. And then next we're gonna add some extra stuff to give it that sort of web core kind of trippy look. I'm gonna go on YouTube. I'm gonna download this this low quality money overlay. Once you download the overlay, bring the overlay into the timeline. For this overlay, I'm gonna get the color key. I'm gonna play with the scale a bit, so that way it fits the image better. I'm also gonna play around with lumetri color so that the money matches the scene a bit more. Make this a little bit warmer and just a tiny bit brighter. There you go. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to just add text like Che. Now you can use literally any kind of text for that sort of Che aesthetic. Most of the time he's using like just very default versions of text. I'm gonna choose Arial narrow bold, for example, and we're just gonna put rich spendas. We're gonna straighten this, center, and then we're going to go. Now we have rich spendas on the screen. I'm going to duplicate this and then bring these down. I'm gonna bring that one down. I'm gonna take the other duplicate and bring it up. Kind of have like sort of like this staircase feel going. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of these layers. I'm going to nest them. Then I'm gonna go into effects, grab mosaic, place it on the text, go into effect controls, change the horizontal blocks by 130 to 130. That looks still a little too extreme, so I'm gonna put 150 by 150. That should work. Actually, I'm gonna do it one more time. 170 to 170. This is completely optional, but I'm just gonna add a little flash to the text. Turn up this amplitude. I'm gonna turn it up to 8.8. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the actual text on and off the screen. Essentially just making it so that way it's constantly popping in and out. Okay, now that you have the text in, the last thing we're going to want to do is degrade the quality. Now there's a very easy way to do this. Take the clip that you have in your higher quality sequence, export it out, create a brand new sequence, change your settings for the sequence to be a lower quality. Your file will be bigger than your canvas, so you just scale it down to your canvas size. We're actually going to make the canvas size 1280 by 720, so that way it's a wide aspect. All you have to do is go to scale to frame size, and then all you have to do is export that low quality timeline out. And just like that, you have an AI visualizer that's at super low quality. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.